Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Yes, please comment if you all are good. Then guys, please comment so it will create interaction between you and me, right? So it's good to have clear communication or transparency, is there, right? Okay, so that is one part. Okay, so now we'll come to this tutorial. So you can see, guys, in screen it is visible, right? What is API? What is an API? So this was the comment, guys. So what is API? But I think this question will be getting only for beginners. Okay, so because of they are beginner, right? So they don't know what is API and all. So even when I was beginner, even I was not knowing what is API, I was having lots of question what it is, how to use. Everyone is talking about API, API seniors and all, but what it is exactly, I was not getting. So and what is REST API also, I was not getting. Okay, so after doing some programming or by taking the help of seniors told me what is API and all. So I got some idea. So I think you are new, then it is I got opportunity to tell you, that is a very great thing for me. Okay, so guys, we'll see now what is API. So API is nothing but what you can see, guys. API is a set of rules and protocol that allows different software application to communicate with each other. Okay, it will allow the different software applications to communicate with each other. It acts as a bridge between two systems. API is nothing but it is like a middleware or bridge, you can see, between two systems. It might be front end or it might be back end. Okay, enabling them to share data and functionality without needing to understand each other's internal working. For example, if it is a middleware, then front end and back end. What is there now? In this two system, the API will be the middleware. Okay, so what it will do, it will take the data and it will send to user. Okay, so user don't know what is backend and or what is happening there. Okay, but it is requesting, it is giving. And even what is backend is that he don't know who is taking that, right? But connecting these two things like user and customer, sorry, user and backend. So connecting of these two things is done by API. So that is nothing but API. So why we need to use API, guys, in your code? So before that, I'll show you one thing. You can see, guys, here. Okay, so here you can see, here is user, end user with browser. Okay, and here is our backend, so our backend system. Okay, and here is my API. So what is happening? API is nothing but user, what it will do, it will request to API. What it will, it will go back and it will check the request. If it is available, it will provide the response. Okay, if it is not available, it will tell it is not available also. If it is there, it will provide the response. Okay, so what is happening? This user don't know what is backend and all. Okay, he don't know about that anything, but whatever he asking, he is getting that all things. And this backend also don't know who is taking this. His work is what it API is asking, I have to give, that's it. Okay, so for example, one more example I'll tell you, guys. Here you can see it. Here there is an waiter, here there is a customer, and here there is a chef. Okay, so what customer, what it will do, it whether it will go directly to chef, give me this whatever I want, that? No, right? What it will do, it will make a order first. Then what will happen? Waiter will come, then he will take the orders. Whatever the orders are there, it will take. Okay, and he will note down all the things and he will go to the chef. Then what he will do, he will prepare the food according to that. Whatever customer needed, according to that, it will cook. Okay, and it will take whatever it will take that, and it will deliver to a customer, right? So waiter, what he is doing, he is the communication between chef and customer. Okay, this chef don't know who is this customer, and customer don't know who is cooking and all. He is getting, he is happy. Customer is getting my whatever order I got, and I'm happy, right? So this is the thing, is API is nothing but what we are requesting something. For example, if I want any users data, then I will request to API. That is when API will be there to that, I will request. So it will go in back and it will check the API and it will give me. Okay, so that is nothing but API. So we'll see practical also in postman. Okay, we'll see. So you can see, guys, here already I have one postman. Okay, and this is my API. Okay, this has been created by any backend developer. Okay, but I got this, I'm a customer, I don't know what is there in this. Okay, I just know I have to use this and I have to test the API here. I will test, I will get the output. Here my intention is what I want the output, which is I'm getting. But what is happening in this, I don't know, right? So this API, this is the middleware, guys, between this output and backend, whatever backend things are there. Okay. So This is the thing, guys. API is nothing but what here also one coding will be there, nothing thing, other things. Just we need to understand the things only, okay, how it is working and all. So from this we are getting the output. This output we are showing in our front end page. That's it. Okay. So if you have comments, then guys, please comment in comment box, okay? Because I really like to give you answer because I will see lots of comments only, okay? Because I'll get idea like what you want, where you're facing the issues and all, okay? So that I'll get. So I feel happy that I'm doing videos on comments only, okay? You can see guys, almost I do comment videos only, okay? Sometimes I do my videos, okay, but almost I cover comments only, okay? So if you have any question now, you can comment in comment box, so I will try to give the answer for that, okay? And if you want to learn this APIs and all, just comment it, guys. I'll plan for that. At least basic I will try to tell you, okay? Fine. Okay guys, so if you're new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, okay? And thank you so much guys, and keep supporting.